Yo, what's up guys? So, as I said, the first video would be about support and resistance. The first technical analysis video would be about support and resistance. So let's get into that quickly. So what is support? What is resistance? Guys, this is basic trading knowledge. Support, resistance. Okay, so this is basic trading knowledge. You have to know this if you want to start trading. So why not learn it for free in the right way immediately? So support is when price basically finds a floor. So finds a floor. What is resistance? Basically the same but turned. So support is resistance is when price finds a roof. So what do I mean with that? What do I mean with this? Excuse me. Is that support is when price finds the floor is when as soon as price action hits that specific zone, price is going most likely back up from there. Resistance is the same. When price is when price action is hitting that specific level, there's a high chance that price goes back down from there. So where do I draw the support and resistance? To make myself not fucked in my head, as a lot of people do, as they draw support and resistance on every fucking time frame, even the fucking 5-minute, which I clearly don't understand, but whatever. To make myself not confused and fucked in my head, I basically only draw my support and resistance on the weekly and the daily. Now remember, the weekly time frame is the strongest time frame in my opinion to find support and resistances and to draw them and to follow them. So remind that, guys. So I want you guys to remind that support and resistance is not a specific price point. It's always a zone. Support and resistance can never, ever be a specific price point. It's always a zone. So just remind that. So here, basically for Bitcoin at all-time high, we can find resistance, right? We can clearly see this is a resistance zone here all the way. We almost broke it basically here for Bitcoin. We went a little bit higher to very close to 20K, but we just didn't yet. But this is a nice resistance zone, as you can see. Rejection, 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 and then just boom, all the way down. So yeah, this is a nice resistance zone. Where can we find other resistance zones or support zones? Here on the weekly, for example. This is another level to pay attention to, weekly zone. Or here, this zone. Resistance, 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 resistance got broken, retested it, became support, and boom, we hit a new resistance. Where can we find support? For example, here. And this support and the support zone will be a lot stronger on the daily and a lot more clear, but I think you get the picture. We have another zone here. Boom. So basically I will go down to the daily right now. And as you can see, everything is very, very clear as we have started off on the on the weekly. So all the points are still very clear. And I think everybody gets the picture and see what I see. So I drew all of these support and resistances basically on the daily, on the weekly. So as you can see now, I don't have a lot of work to do. I can, from this point, I can basically let price action do its work. I can maybe draw support and resistance here, like for the daily, but these are not as strong as they should be, for example, a few months ago. Like this would have been a lot more clear on the daily to draw support and resistances. because now in the bull market for crypto is very bullish. Like a lot of resistances and supports, or everything basically just got smashed by price action, and price action just went parabolic. So we can assume this as a resistance, and we can assume this as a support zone. So basically the picture is very clear. Remind, support is where price is finding a floor, and resistance is where price is finding a roof. Very simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate these things. It's all very simple. All right. Take care, guys. Peace.